In this video, I'm going to show you the new Creative Fabrica Studio. As you can see, at the moment they've got CF Spark Vectorizer, which turns any raster-based image, PNG or JPG, into scalable vector SVG. And they also have Creative Fabrica Studio. The interface is similar to Canva, and the rest of the tools, they are coming soon, you can see. And just quick note, they are still running their Black Friday deal, just $47 for whole year. This means $4 per month, and this deal will end at the end of the week. But anyway, after that you can still get advantage from Creative Fabrica. Let me show you. If you sign up for free trial, you can get 10 free downloads. You can find 10 bundles, download them and use them forever. And after that, you can see on this page, if you decided to renew, it's going to be just $9 per month, which is 70% discount. And even better, if you sign up for the yearly plan, it's going to be just $5 per month. But you don't need to continue. You can cancel anytime. Just quick note, if you're going to use Creative Fabrica Studio, you're going to need the All Access subscription. And if you have interest from the Black Friday deal or from the free trial plan, all related links will be down below in the description. So let's get back to the Creative Fabrica Studio. I will open the Vectorizer in a new tab, and I'm going to use one of my previous created AI images from Leonardo. Let's just drag this image into the Vectorizer. Let's say this one, this lady. It's going to take a little bit time. It's a little bit slower from the Vectorizer.ai. Let's drag the image on Vectorizer as well, and we're going to see which one is faster. I think the Vectorizer is faster. We'll see. Yeah, it takes a little bit time, but anyway, let's open Creative Fabrica Studio as well. And we're going to see the features. We can add new design from this tab or from here. And here we have different options. We can create a custom size file. We have orientation, and here we have pre-made design standard. You can see the different sizes. This is for, let's use this one for poster, and we're going to use the bigger one. We have print, A4, landscape, A4 portrait, bingo cards, Canva print landscape, craft products. You've got mugs, bookmarks, kits menu. You can see how many pre-made templates they've got. Print on demand, you've got Amazon merch, Printify t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, notebooks, stickers, social media. You've got Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, WhatsApp, Facebook, Reddit, and WhatsApp. Online digital, Creative Fabrica products, Etsy shop cover, Creative Fabrica profile photo. You can double check everything. Google Ads, weddings, different templates for weddings, and business templates. A4 documents, A5 documents, letter size. So for this instance, let's create big poster, create new design, and it's going to open the new window. And now the layout is similar to Canva, and from here we can use Spark AI and we can type anything we want. So we have graphics. You can add this graphic here. Just you need to double click, I think, to edit the file. I don't know why it's not so easy to scale this yes, when you double click, now we can drag this file and make it bigger. You can see, let's delete this. We have text, we have different fonts. They've got lots of fonts. You can see here how many fonts they've got. So the next, they've got elements. It's taking time, but it's a new release, and probably they will approve everything. Elements, you've got basic shapes, complex shapes, and 3D shapes. From here you can search, you've got search bar for the fonts as well, probably. Or yeah, actually we don't have for the fonts. So after elements you've got photos. We've got search bar for the photos. Backgrounds, you can use these backgrounds. Patterns, all these patterns. Templates, and from here you've got so many different type of templates. You can check them. You've got upload section. From here you can, but we need to just drag the files here. Let's drag one more file, let's say this one, and it's going to upload the file on the canvas. Yes, and now we can click on the file and use the file here. So let's delete this one and this one, and we can draw. We can use this for draw if you able to draw. Let's delete this. Okay, where is the erase tool? Or you can go back from here. Let's go back. Come on, delete this drawing. Perfect. So let's go back to Vectorizer to see what happened here. It's ready. I will make the image bigger to see the difference. You can see the difference from the image, and I think the Vectorizer is better. Yeah, the Vectorizer is better, I think. But anyway, this is very nice too, and they will approve everything. And from here we can add this to the studio. Go to the studio, and now probably we're going to find this. Let's open the studio. I will remove this. Uploads. Yes, there is the file. I think the software is a little bit buggy and laggy at the moment, but it's normal because it's still very new, and they will approve everything. Let me show you the rest. From here you can change to dark mode. From here you can see the recent files that you have. From here you have tabs: create new design, open recent, to import files, to save the project, to make a copy, to download the file, view my projects, browse the app, and the license tab. I will open the license to show you, because you can use everything with for commercial use. You can see all items made with Creative Fabrica Studio can be used however you would like. You are allowed to sell, distribute, resell, or share for free all designs made with the studio. This also includes print-on-demand platforms, and from here, this is valid worldwide. You are allowed to include all assets inside that are included inside the studio. You can use graphics, templates, elements, photos, everything, backgrounds. You can use everything. Items generated with Spark AI are free to use in the same way. And the only limitation is that you are not allowed to take a single asset, place that on the plain background, export and sell just like that. So you need to combine at least two files and put background or text and make a new design. So with that being said, guys, I think that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. If you have interest from the Black Friday deal or from the free trial deal, all related links will be down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.